always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what everyone's doing. I see 2 friends playing together. 1, 2. 2 friends. Let's count together.
1, 2.
2 friends. 2 is a number. Say 2.
2.
That's exactly right. Let's make 2 our number of the day.
Let's count together.
2.
There are 2 apples. 1, 2. Now count them with me.
1, 2.
How many apples in all?
2.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time.
Let's count together. 2. There are 2 Wigglebugs. 1, 2. How many Wigglebugs in all? 2. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture. Let's do the monkey dance! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 2. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 2 times. Clap 2 times. Nod 2 times. Point 2 times. March 2 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey
story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Billy to the Rescue. It's about a fire truck who is worried about something. I wonder what it is. Let's begin. Billy to the Rescue. Written by Mamaloko Selepe. Illustrated by Samantha Van Riot. Billy is a fire engine. Fire! Fire! Says a firefighter. Oh no! Let's go! Says another. But Billy loves being clean and shiny. I don't want to get dirty, he says. Billy, the animals need you, say the firefighters. Billy, the plants need you. Billy, the people need you. Please, Billy, we all need you. Am I that important? Billy asks. Yes, you are. Let's go. Thank you, Billy, everyone shouts. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called 5 Little Monkeys.
Ooh, monkeys, like me!
That's right! Today, we'll all pretend to be monkeys, just like you.
Yay!
I'll sing the first part, and then you sing along with me. How many monkeys did I say there were?
5!
Good listening. Here we go. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now I want you to all sing along with me. I want to hear you sing too. Let's count how many monkeys there are. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Now how many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3.
3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Let's count how many are left. 1, 2.
2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
How many are left? 1.
1 little monkey jumping on a bed. It fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
That's the song. Well done.
Yay!
Thank you for singing with me. You too.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hey everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you too.
Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
A!
What's this letter?
X!
What's this letter?
H!
What's this letter?
K!
Now let's do it fast.
H! A! X! K! X! A! H! K! H! X! K! A! H! K! X! A!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter A! Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Hi! Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Hush-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle